The RH bill is not just about choice. It's about a chance. Chance para sa ipinanganak na mahirap.
Ang pagsasabatas ng Reproductive Health Bill ay makapagliligtas ng maraming buhay, makapagpapabuti sa kalusugan, magtataguyod sa kapakanan ng ating pamilya, at makapagpapaunlad ng ating ekonomiya.
I strongly support the Reproductive Health Bill.
I support the RH Bill.
I support the RH Bill.
I support the RH Bill. I support the RH Bill.
Avoid immorality, wait for more sin, the sins against your own body, let the devil in our bodies, the temple of the Holy Spirit within us. They are not only gods, for they have been purchased at a price so high, no other could compare to glorify God in your body. It's the cross that we should bear. It's the cross that we should bear. It's the cross that we should bear. Brothers and sisters, I really want to urge you by the mercies of God. There's really one thing that we should do. Offer our bodies as a living sacrifice, holy and pleasing to God. Spiritual worship the one who's never seen. Don't conform to this age, but be transformed by your new mind. After doing the will of God, it is God that you should find. It is God that you should find. It is God that you should find.
May lapag na ako. Ay, sayaw.
Tara sa kwarto na nagpahinga.
Hindi ka na may yung kwarto na yun. Sa kwarto.
Uy! Punta!
Ay. Punta!
Sa kwarto lang papahinga. Hindi ko alam eh. Sabi niyo mga nag-aasin ko tayo. Gusto mo mga tayo pumasok?
Ikaw.
Kaya na kaya tayo pumasok.
Probinsyana ka mo! Magawa ka ng project eh! Ay, papasok ko ngayon! Wala kami pakialam nung ka! Wow! Hindi ka naligit dito. Wala, ako na doon. Hello. Hey, sister. Take a cover. Who are you?
Go.
Dito sa school na to, merong isang bawal.
Oh!